Good. Hello students. Today we will discuss the properties of the determinant. The value, first the property, the value of the determinant remains unchanged by changing rows into columns and columns into rows. That is, in other words, A determinant equal to A transpose determinant. For example, verification. Let delta equal to determinant 2 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. By expanding, we get 4 minus 6 minus 2. Now let delta dash be obtained from delta by interchanging its rows and column. So this becomes, delta dash becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Again its determinant is 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. So delta equal to delta dash. So the value of determinant remains unchanged when rows are changed into columns and columns are changed into row. In other words, A matrix determinant equal to A transpose matrix determinant. The property second, if two adjacent rows or columns of a determinants are interchanged, the value of determinant is changed by sign. If two adjacent rows or columns of a determinants are interchanged, then the value of determinant is changed by sign. Verification. Let delta equal to the 2 by 2 determinant 1, 2, 3, 4. Its value 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. So delta dash be obtained from delta by interchanging R1 and R2. R1 and R2. The first row becomes second row and second row becomes first row. The adjacent uh, the adjacent row of R1 is R2 and R2 is, if it is 3 by 3 matrix, then either we interchange R1 R2 or R2 R3, or so delta dash is equal to 3 4 1 2. Now its determinant is 6 minus 4, that is 2. So delta is equal to minus 2, delta dash is equal to 2, so delta dash equal to minus delta. So if two rows or column of determinants are interchanged, then the value of determinant is changed by sign. The third property is, if two rows column of determinants are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. Very important. If two rows or column of determinants are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. Verification. Let delta equal 1 2 1 2. Here R1 and R2 are same, identical. So delta equal to 1 into 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. The value of determinant is 0. It is also in the same in the 3 by 3 matrix. So now the next property, fourth property, if every element of a row or column is multiplied by a constant k, then the value of determinant get multiplied by k. Verification. Let delta equal 1 2 3 4. Again 4 minus 6 minus 2. Now multiply each element of first row by k. So delta dash becomes, let the new determinant be delta dash, and delta dash equal to multiplying the first each element first row by k, it becomes k comma 2k, and the second row remains same 3 4. We get the determinant 4k minus 6k, that is minus 2k. Delta dash equal to minus 2k. Delta dash equal to k into minus 2. Delta dash is k into minus 2 is delta, so delta dash is k times delta. If each element of a row is multiplied by a constant k, then the value of the determinant get multiplied by k. If then the next property is, if any two rows or columns are proportional, then the value of determinant is 0. For example, let delta equal to a1 a2 a3, k a1 k a2 k a3 b1 b2 b3, in which in this determinant first row and second rows are proportional, because 1 by k, the ratio of R1 and R2 is 1 by k 1 by k 1. So the elements of the first and second rows are proportional, so its determinant is 0. Then delta equal to, the k will be common from the second row by this fourth property. It becomes a1 a2 a3, a1 a2 a3, b1 b2 b3. Here rows R1 and R2 are identical, so its value is 0. its value a 0. So if two rows or column of determinant identical, then the value of determinant 0. If the two rows or column of determinants are identical, then the value of determinant is also 0. The next is, if A is square matrix order n, A is square matrix order n, then Ka determinant equal K raised to power n into A determinant. For example, let A matrix equal to A1, A2, B1, B2. Now A matrix determinant is equal to A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Now Ka matrix is obtained from A by multiplying each element of Ka matrix, not determinant. Ka matrix is obtained from A by multiplying each element of A by K. We get Ka1, Ka2, Kb1, Kb2. Now Ka determinant. Now determinant, this into this minus this, and this becomes K square A1 B2 minus K square A2 B1. K square, taking K square common, we get K square into A1 B2 minus A2 B1, which is A determinant. So Ka determinant is K square A determinant. If it is a 3 by 3 matrix, then Ka determinant equal K cube A determinant. If it is 4 by 4 matrix, then Ka determinant K raised to 4A determinant, and so on. And the sixth property is, if each element of a row or column of a determinant is the sum of two terms, then the determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinants. If each element of the row or column of a determinant is the sum of two terms, then the determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinants. Verification. Let delta is equal to A1 plus K1, A2 plus K2, B1, B2. Here in this determinant, the first row, each element of first row is the sum of two terms, A1 plus K1. Second element is also the sum of two terms. So this delta can be expressed as the sum of two determinants. Two determinant means A1, A2, B1, B2 plus the second determinant K1, K2, B1, B2. That is A1 plus K1, A2 plus K2. This determinant equal to sum of two determinant A1, A2, B1, B2 plus K. So verification, left hand side, this and this determinant, this into this minus this into this. So here this becomes B2 into A1 plus K1 minus B1 into A2 plus K1. Multiplying this, we get A1 B2 minus A2 B1 plus K B2 minus K2 B1. This is the left hand side. Now right hand side is A1 A2 B1 B2 plus K1 K2 B1 B2. This becomes A1 B2 minus A2 B1 plus here LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, properly verified. If any two rows or column of determinant, if any two row, if any row or column of determinant, a multiple of another row column is added, then the value of determinant remains same. If any row or column of determinant, a multiple of another row or column is added, the value of determinant remains same. Verification, let delta equal A1, A2, B1, B2. Operate, R1 becomes K टाइम R2. फर्स्ट रो में सेकेंड रो का K टाइम ऐड कर दें तो क्या बन जाएगा, फर्स्ट रो बिकम A1 प्लस KB1, second row becomes A2 plus KB2, B1, B2. Now this determinant, in this determinant, the each element of first row is the sum of two terms. By the previous property, this determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinants. The two determinants are A1, A2, B1, B2 plus KB1, KB2, B1, B2. Now in this determinant, K is common, yeah, the two rows are proportional. Element of two rows are proportional, so its value is 0. So this equal to delta. So delta dash equal to delta. This is about the properties of the determinant.